What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Today we will be taking a quick look at Aweasroy Griddle 8-piece clean kit. As you see there, I just put down the handle and promise stone, which is all natural, and it comes with extra stone to use. It comes with 3 pads. I had a little trouble with the handle attaching the pad. The pad just wouldn't stay attached. Later on in the video, I just gave up and just used the pad by itself. Here we have a heavy duty scraper. It seems to be high quality, thick and heavy. Now let's get to cleaning. Here I'm just spraying down the grill with a water soap solution. I will be using the pad because these grill has a non-stick coating and I really didn't want to mess it up. But later on in the video, I have to switch over to the promise stone because the underside of this grill is very dirty with grease, grime, and cooked on food. Here, like I mentioned earlier, I switched over to the promise stone. The promise stone, which is all natural, worked very well, removing the grease and grime and cooked on food with ease. I wish I would have started with it from the beginning. It would have made my life a lot easier. I decided to take it a little too far. I cleaned the entire pit, and I can say the pad held up well. And here's the finished product. My grill never been this clean before. Now let's do some barbecuing. Here, before I finish the video, I received my griddle in the mail. It's brand new, so I'm just gonna do some soap and water with the pad. I'm not sure if I should season it. I am far from a pit master. I'm just getting started in the backyard barbecuing scene. If you have any tips for me, please share them down in the comments because I'm not sure if I should season it or not. Will it benefit me? But the ad on Amazon said there's no need. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.